welcome back to DIY and Learn. Today I'm going to show you how to take any cardboard box and make it into an adorable baby gift prayer box. Step 1 is to choose any cardstock paper that you really like the design of and glue it to your cardboard box. I recommend using all-purpose clear glue and thick cardstock paper as it will adhere best to the box. I first glue the edges and then add the siding to give a more seamless look. After I finish that, I tape the inside of the bottom of the box and then I cut out a sheet of paper to be the inside lining of the box. Be sure to not add too much glue and press firmly to the bottom to secure the paper in place. After that, I take 2 wooden dowels and put double-sided tape on 2 sides of both. Then I wrap a string to both sides, knotting to secure it in place. Then you can write or print out any signage that you would like. I found these cute little baby onesies on Pinterest. I wrote down what I wanted to say and then printed it out and put clothespins on the ends. Lastly, I put out papers and pens for guests to write prayers. I think this turned out so cute. Be sure to leave your comments down below and like and subscribe.